welcome to the channel. This has been one of the busiest springs, if not the busiest spring I have ever had. I can't believe how much maintenance and flying I've been doing lately. I've been getting a little bit of fun flying, you can see here as well in the Acroduster, and we're still working on that. We've had lots of problems like exhausts that don't fit, gaskelators with air in them for some reason, really horrible wheels all corroded, master cylinders leaking, oil all over the windshield, that's exciting. Puppy's still helping out at the hangar. We've been flying and picking up and delivering airplanes. We got the Super Bear put on some massive 33-inch Tundra tires. Drive coupling that should have been changed 25 years ago. Annual done on the air coupe. And a little bit of flying in the Super Bear. I'm going to leave you just with landing the Super Bear at a strip down in Coburg. It's nothing super fantastic or really exciting, but it was a beautiful day and we were just delivering the airplane down there. Hopefully we'll have some more airplane reviews coming soon, and I'm hoping for my own self that June will settle down a little bit. Super Bear coming up for some more work. Over the next little while, we're going to be doing some tests with a number of different propellers, so I think that'll be really interesting to see how they perform. We've got a couple of different Kato props, as well as the large metal Macaulay that's currently on it, and we'll test for performance changes between the three of those that we have. Anyway, get lots of flying done. Stay safe, everybody. I hope you all manage to get out there and get lots of flying done. Hopefully for my benefit without breaking the airplane, and we'll talk to you all soon. Happy tailwinds, and enjoy the video.
It'd be a better ride with these massive tires on.